Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you have heard about One Neuron, and One Neuron platform is now live, wherein you will be able to get 100 plus courses at the price of 7080 rupees INR, that is including GST, and it will be for an yearly subscription plan. But today in this particular video, I have some amazing announcements for you all, which is called as lifetime membership of One Neuron platform. So I'll talk about it more. But before that, I really want to announce that iNeuron has got its first funding. So we got the first funding from S Chand Group. I hope everybody has heard about this big famous name. So S Chand is a public limited company. Probably when you were in your school days, you may have probably heard about S Chand publications. Probably have read a lot of books, probably different kind of books, science, maths, and all. So S Chand has finally invested in our company. They were really much happy. We had an amazing One Neuron platform launch where they had also come over here in Bangalore itself, and they were really proud with the kind of work that we were actually doing. So this was one good news that I really want to announce, and this was all because of the entire hard work of all the iNeuron people, iNeuron employees over here. Apart from that, thank you for believing in us, and probably we will definitely come up with a lot of revolutionary ideas in the field of education. But today, the second good news that I really want to talk about is the lifetime membership. Now, let me talk about it. Right now, if you have heard about this One Neuron platform, guys, right now the price, if I talk about the price is 7080 rupees INR, and this includes GST, and this comes with 1 year subscription plan. 1 year subscription plan, right? 1 year subscription. But as soon as we launched One Neuron platform, many people requested, Krish, at least for 1 month, come up with something, where many people can actually enroll and probably enjoy this particular platform. And till now, guys, it has just been announced 2 days back, 2 to 3 days back, One Neuron platform, and we really had an immense, amazing response from you all, where you are taking up this particular courses and you are giving some amazing feedback, because there you have probably 100 plus courses, guys. And here, not only this, you will be having a lot of services which I will talk about. Okay, so before I go ahead with respect to services, so many people had requested so that come up with something that may be better for professional people or people who are in colleges and all. So me and Sudhanshu thought over it, and probably, guys, what we have actually come up with, please read this properly, what we have actually come up with. It is quite amazing, again, a revolutionary idea. So till Jan 15th, 2022, and right currently it is December 15th, 2021. Till I probably make this video live, it will be December 15th. So over here you have actually 30 days timeline. Now inside this 30 days timeline, inside this 30 days timeline, if you are enrolling in the One Neuron platform, you will be getting all the courses access for lifetime. So this is one big announcement that we want to make. So within this 30 days, just for our announcement of this particular One Neuron platform, and based on many people request, within this 30 days, that is the last date is January 15th. If you enroll in One Neuron platform, where you probably have 100 plus courses, and here you can request new courses and all. So that all belongs to the services. Everything that is including in the services will also be included throughout your lifetime. Okay. So 100 plus courses right now, currently all the courses are, every month you will be having 10 to 20 courses added more in this platform. So if you enroll within this 30 days timeline, you will be getting the entire One Neuron platform for lifetime. Isn't it amazing? Okay. So we thought a lot regarding this, and finally we are coming for this. And again, the price is same, 7080 rupees INR. Okay. So if you are enrolling within this 30 days, that is from December 15, 2021, before January 15, 2022. And remember, for those people who have enrolled from December 11th itself, because December 11th, we had announced this particular platform. So suppose if you have bought this particular platform, and I know many people have actually bought it because I've seen the analytics, these people will also get the entire lifetime access. Okay, so don't worry if you have bought early also. So I'll just make some changes over here. Instead of writing December 15th, I will just write it December 11th. Okay, so this is one change that we are bringing up, and again, utilize it, guys. Trust me, it will definitely be very, very helpful for you. So this is the entire price for the entire lifetime access, and here inside this lifetime access, you can use all the services that are included. Okay, now let me go ahead and let me show you what all services are there. There are a lot of services that we have included in this One Neuron platform, and we'll go through each and every course also, and we'll talk about it too. So let me quickly go over here. Let me sign in. So once I sign in, you'll be able to see over here all the courses. I'll go and click on One Neuron. So this is what we are giving. If I click on Explore now, here is your Tech Neuron. So here you have somewhere around more than 100 plus courses. See this. These are all the courses that we are giving. Digital marketing, R programming, Linux, Git, Azure Data Scientist, Merge Stack, Excel, complete interview preparation, Docker, Azure fundamentals, big data projects, big data job preparations, aptitude test, Google Dialogflow. Everything is here, guys. Merge Stack, DSAR, 30 days fast track data science, end-to-end object detection, AI ops, business analytics. Everything is included over here. Okay, let me just show you one of the things over here. Suppose if I go and click on computer vision, if I go to the course, I've already been enrolled in this course because I have this particular course in my profile. So if I go and click on this, you'll be able to see all the videos. Okay, so all the videos are available. You'll be able to check it out. You'll be able to play it. You will be able to see everything over here. Apart from that, you also have all the resources. If you want to do any discussion, you'll be there. Now, apart from this, what I will probably do is that I really want to show you what all services we are actually providing. So when I'm saying that if you probably take up this particular subscription plan before January 15, 2022, you'll be getting this entire courses for lifetime. Plus, if we are uploading any other courses, and probably we have a plan of uploading around 10 plus courses every month. So there are a lot of services over here. So what all kind of services are over here? You'll be able to see it, guys, over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you'll be able to see services like you can request a new course. You can request a new module. You can ask for topic explanation. You can come for a doubt clearing session, expert advice on topics, resume discussion, mock interviews. Probably you want to go for interviews itself. If you want to probably work with iNeuron as an intern, you can definitely work also with respect to that. So remember, with respect to one important thing, course request, new module course, you have to also give us somewhere around 45 to 60 days time. If we are probably not able to do it, we'll again refund you back your money. So this is also included, and this all, if you are enrolling before January 15th, you will be getting it for lifetime. Isn't it amazing, right? One more thing, guys, from January first week, we are also starting doubt clearing session, which will be live based on this particular timings. So this will be from January first week. So 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. we'll be having development. From this to this, we'll be having, doubt clearing session regarding data science. Then we have cloud, DevOps, like this. We have divided a time. You can also check it out. So guys, again, I requested a lot. Me and Sudhanshu discussed about it a lot. And finally, we came up with this specific offer for you all. So please make sure that you utilize it. And there are a lot of courses that are going to come up like blockchain, IoT. We have already started getting requests. Right now within 3 days, you'll be able to see many people have taken up this particular subscription. So for those people who have also taken the subscription from 11th of December, don't worry, you will also be getting complete lifetime access. So yes, now what is the request from my side? Utilize this opportunity, because after January 15th, we'll not be able to provide you this opportunity. And please make sure that you share this video with everyone, because this is an amazing opportunity for you all. I don't want you all to miss this opportunity, guys, right? So I hope you like this particular video. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and bye bye.